guys, welcome back to Motorchats. If you're new here, I'm Sam, and in today's video we're going to be doing a Supercar Saturday vlog. And later today I'm going to be going to Fuel Fest, which if you want to check out that video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications to see when that video comes out. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you soon. Alright y'all, I can already hear the Bugattis revving and all of that. Super exciting. Gotta go into the elevator, and I already have this ready to interview people. I have two, because I'm ready to interview. So yeah, let's go ahead and, oh, all right. This is why I love this elevator. It always has like fun little things right here, super cute. So yeah. First Supercar Saturday. Oh my God, look at it. She's not in the show, but she is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous the day is today. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. Gorgeous day to see some gorgeous cars. Here we are at Hard Rock.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Welcome.
This is new. Look at the bobblehead. This is so cute. Oh, the Route 66. I like that. It's so cute. This, normally I don't film a lot of Corvettes. This one's gorgeous. Look at the interior on that. I'm not going to touch her, but I just want to show you guys the interior. Look at that. It is absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. Look how gorgeous this one is. If you guys remember from my first video, we did an interview with this owner of this car. He is super, super sweet, super nice. Shout out to him. Make sure you follow his car page. I'll put it on the screen. So this engine is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Carbon fiber. Film. That's definitely going on the vlog. Oh! He's in the show! He's in the show! That car is gorgeous! I'm actually so excited. For all my anime lovers, we have a anime car. Oh my god, yo. I can't. But anyways, if you guys remember what anime this is, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I can't remember the name of it right now, but it's completely anime themed. I'm fucking this heavy. Like, it is such a clean little feature. This is one of the older Lambos. Look at the lights on the top of this. It is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and look at the inside here. Look at the stitching on that. It is complimentary orange. Like a little, such a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Here are the little things. We have a carbon fiber wing. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the back of this. It is clearly not your everyday Lambo. This looks exactly like the car I drove, which if you guys want to check out that video is on my channel. I'll also link it in the description. The interior is definitely a little bit different. So she's a little bit different. Oh, alright y'all, here we have the non-supercars. I said that they're EVs, they're not supercars. They will never be supercars. We have the coupe version.
The spider is gorgeous.
Clever design. Clever design.
This is the new GT4. She is this bright orange, absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That color is gorgeous. I've got this gorgeous Porsche right here. She's definitely modified. Let's look at the interior here. They have a roll cage in the back. Look at the interior. It's like a plaid. That is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the other Porsche. Oh my god, this one's actually kind of gorgeous. I think it's not a Porsche, is it? It is. Okay, I wasn't tripping.
Yeah.
When I went into the dealership.
For all my... That's the Motorchats. On my Lexus fans, this is the LC500 in a red tone. I know for a lot of people this is also their dream car. It is absolutely stunning. The way it just, the red on this is gorgeous. I can talk of an LC500 in case you're ever curious. Here we go, look at the interior on this Honda. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys the front in a second. Here's the front. Old Porsche. Super cute. Here we have an old Mustang. It's supercharged. I love the blue detailing on this. Absolutely stunning car. Love it. The interior on this is so crisp. Oh my goodness. The blue on this.
Section of my car.
Carbon fiber hood is wow. The interior. The M4. We have an older Mustang. Super clean. The newer gen. Then we have the even newer gen, all right next to each other. I've been curious about seeing them. Now I feel dumb. Oh my god. We have a Shelby. Gorgeous. And it's a dark horse. Oh my goodness, my favorite car, the Nissan GT-R on the lot. Carbon fiber spoiler, gorgeous. Interior. Look at that hood, y'all.
You have to order it by then.
Purple themed BMW. Oh my god, even the logo's purple. Cute. I'm not a purple fan. That's super cute. That is stunning. Love it. It's gorgeous. I have never seen this many GTRs in one row. This is actually kind of insane. Oh my goodness. Got a Mitsu, Miss Peachy. This one's gorgeous. We're having dirt legal. Glittery. Super cutie. Alright guys, we have Jamie from Dirt Legal. I don't know if you guys remember, but he did remix my video and he also did. And we also have...
Hey, it's Trace with Dirt Legal.
We got Trace! That's awesome.
What am I doing right now?
We're just saying hello to the vlog. It's a vlog.
Hey guys, we're having a great time at Supercar Saturday. I know you guys hear the cars revving. Best place to be in South Florida right now.
And then also, if you guys want to check out Dirt Legal, they do have license plates.
We do Montana registrations. We do everything from dirt bikes over here, and then we got some of our clients up here with their supercars.
Yeah, so make sure you guys check them out if you need one. This is the plates they're talking about. All right, y'all. Right now I'm on the hunt for this guy. I don't know his name, but I know what he looks like, and I know he's always on the Supercar Saturday page, and I've been wanting to interview him for the longest time. So we're gonna see if we can find him in this crowd. And all these cars are sounding so freaking sexy. And shout out to everybody who's been participating in my interviews. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Hey, Porsche. G-Wagon, G-Wagon.
I had just gone out. I was on a date with my girlfriend at the time.
Alright guys, so they're about to take off in Supercar Saturdays. Heading up the bridge to get a different angle this time. This ended a lot quicker than normal, which I'm a little sad about. Alright guys, that's it for this Supercar Saturday vlog. I hope you did enjoy. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe below, and make sure you turn on those notifications to see when that next video comes out for that Fuel Fest vlog. And if you want to see those interviews as well, make sure you turn on those notifications. If you also want to check out more kinds of content, make sure you follow the Instagram below. Everything's gonna be in the description. Anyways, enjoy your day. Bye.